Alrighty, look what came in the mail today. Our odometer gears, spark plugs I also have, and the fan clutch came in, so the only thing I'm waiting on now are the replacement batteries before I completely put the instrument cluster back together. But we can do the odometer's gears now. They are different colors, so I'll just have to count the teeth to figure out which is which. And also, these look a bit thicker with the little sprocket. Seems much thicker than these. So hopefully this fits. We'll know here in a minute. Well, for me it's going to be several minutes because I got to, pull some stuff loose and cut some nonsense off of some other stuff. If I remember correctly, yeah, this guy. So we still got this bushing, as it were. Focus. Or not. Oh, okay, there we go. That little bushing. So I'll be able to cut him off with my wire cutters. And then this comes with a little dealy whacker there. So we should be good, assuming everything fits right. So it'll be several minutes for me, and you it'll be a few seconds. And I'll either have good news or bad news here momentarily. Alright, we're back. I think we're good. Not too hard, very tedious, kind of a pain in the ass. A lot of little bitty pieces for big fingers to be messing with. But got the bushing off, got the little dude on, got this guy replaced, that guy replaced, and then we're still using gears 4 and 5 because they're not damaged at all. So I believe everything's put back together right. These things should be contacting. So let's see if the odometer works. We'll give her the old spinny spin. I'm not sure which way is what. As you can see, spinning it does move the gears ever so slightly. So let's see if this way, which is a counterclockwise motion, turns anything. If I can do this in editing, I'll speed it up. Nobody has to sit here and watch this, me tediously turning an odometer by hand. I'm getting nervous now, man. 9/10 of a mile. Oh, it's moving. It's moving. Hey-o! Alright, we got our plastical cover for the gears on, so we'll just give it one last quick test here just to make sure that it'll still work with the cover on. Although admittedly it's going to be a little bit harder to turn this damn thing with the cover on. We'll just make sure that it goes a little bit, just make sure it's working though. I hate to put this thing back together and it be busted up. Yeah, you can barely get a grip on this thing with that cover on. I mean, I'm touching it with my fingernails here. I can barely get a grip on it, but as you can see, I can still move it. Blue one still moves, the white one, and well, it's too kind of murky to see beyond there, but there you go, it turns. So, odometer fixed. I reckon next video we'll do the I'll do the soldering of the batteries, and then we'll do the voltage test on them. We'll do the ohm test to make sure that that's all good. Hopefully the board will be good, and then I'll put the instrument cluster back together, and then after that, I mean, this beast is almost road ready. Alright, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.